this is Kameshwar. I'm based from Delhi and I did my BTech in mechanical engineering from a institution named Dronacharya Group of Institutions, which is there in Greater Noida. And currently I'm working in a Bangalore-based company named Hepatica Technologies Private Limited. Right after the BTech itself, I was very crazy about the R&D, the research and development departments of the automotive companies. This craziness of R&D only pushed me to take enrollment in this course, and also the automotive industries are trying to shift now to the electric vehicle manufacturing. So I came across this skilling while doing the Google search. And then there was a procedure I remember, we have to fill up some form and then the team of skilling will contact you. So then I received a call from the skilling member, and then we discussed a lot on these courses and what it's going to be, how it's going to be, and then yes, I enrolled into this course. After enrolling to this post-graduation course of hybrid electric vehicle design, I started the course with the introduction to hybrid electric vehicles, in which they discussed very elaborated manner for the motors selections and the motor sizing part. Later we went to the battery selection and battery sizing and battery management, and followed by the power converter design and the MATLAB and the Simulink, which is a necessity to design the hybrid electric or the EV models for the simulation purposes. And followed by, they also have some programs enrolled in this course for the CAD portion, for the design part, and the meshing part, that is the FE18 part, and also the CFD part. So yeah, but only after doing the IHEV, the introduction to hybrid electric vehicles and battery and power converters, I was feeling experienced enough, or you can say sound enough to go and present myself in front of the companies. These projects are really industrial relevant. For an example, I did a MATLAB based project named NASA file parsing. Interviewer has focused on this particular project that I've done. So he was trying to actually cross-questioning me what is NASA file parsing is. They have collected some data of different gaseous species of 400 species. So we created a MATLAB code to extract the gas data which the user has to know, and then in a very short span of time using that code. So interviewer was trying actually to cross question we can use Excel also to do this thing, but no, if the data we have is of suppose 1000 or 2000 species, so Excel won't be very efficient. So actually we can use these codes to calculate several data from the data available in this sheet. So only the code will help in extracting the thing. So this way I answered to the interviewer and he was really impressed. And yeah, so these projects are very industrial relevant and they are very specific for the industries. The customer success team was really great. They started my profile building in a very innovative manner. I found they focused first on the LinkedIn profile. They helped me building the LinkedIn profile, explaining myself to each of how to showcase the people what you have actually done, from uploading the certificates to resume building, everything they have helped. Followed by they are directly not sending the candidates for the interview for the companies. They first prepare you in terms of they'll do mock interviews for you and they will do tool test also. If they found you ready enough, then only they will send you the industries. And this manner I really like, because you can find yourself very relevant enough for the industries, and you will be able to crack the interviews in one go. It's a to them like how they are taking up this course. They should really work hard. They should like take it seriously and take your time. Don't take time boundary constraints. You just take your time, do the course well, prepare yourself for the industries will love to take you in, and yeah, you can keep well with the future. First tell like what if I have not opted this skilling course. So yeah, while doing this course I was really thinking like I should have not done my BTech in mechanical. I should have enrolled into this course firstly itself to save my time and help the family also. And yeah, like the future looks great to me. Already the electric vehicle industry is booming, so I already started my career into electric vehicle domain as a mechanical engineer, so that's really going to help. And yeah, I'm hoping that it works great for me.